Hello everyone, Zine with you, and today we'll show you how to see hidden messages on Instagram. First, you want to go and open your Instagram application on your phone. Then you want to go and click on messages on the bottom middle side. Then here it will be displaying the primary messages. Here you can see all the messages displayed right here. Now, in order to get the hidden messages, you want to go and click on requests, then go and click on hidden requests. And now this is where Instagram stores messages from people who follow you but whom you do not follow back. These messages are not automatically shown in your main inbox at the top. So you will see here the hidden requests on the top right here. When you click on it, it will show you all the hidden messages. Instagram moves messages here if they contain content that may be offensive or unwanted. If you find the message you want to read, tap on it and you will have the option to accept the request and move it to your main inbox. This will allow you to reply to the person and continue the conversation. And that is it. This is how you can actually see the hidden messages and how to navigate to see them all at once. And that's all for today's video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider like and subscribe and share this video to the friend who wants to see the hidden messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching and goodbye.